Alright, we're here.
Finally made it to the Osaka Castle. Now, I just had a look at some information. This castle was originally built in the 1500s, I think around 1583. But they've also done some renovations and upgraded it to what it looks like today. So,
Japan's largest castle.
yeah, looking forward to just going inside and checking it out.
20-minute walk from the station. Was it 20 minutes? No,
20 minutes
9
they said 20 minutes around there.
from the station. It's built around this big moat. We'll jump in, see what it's like. Alright, we're stepping in the main gates here.
Woohoo!
The fortified walls.
Another gate.
That's happened to our lines. I heard it's pretty bad with linings.
I'm sure there are going to be ones. Can't avoid them. Especially on a day like this. It's a beautiful day. Absolutely gorgeous.
Looks like it's another 30-degree day. No rain today.
No, but the humidity's not bad today. It's just the sunshine. Oh, these are the beautiful gardens.
This is inside the grounds of the castle. So inside now. That's what life looked like inside the castle.
The greenery.
Protected by the walls. You lived in here. Not bad.
Nice. This is your home, huh? It's all yours. You've got the garden entrance there. We can have a look at later.
Get the museum down there. Right.
Let's have a look. What have we got here? Let's read some signs.
Here's the main tower.
Main tower of Osaka Castle.
What's that one? That's the garden.
Yeah, we're gonna go.
These guys got the express.
That's the tour bus that goes around the garden.
That's 300 yen from the front. Which is what, like $3?
Yeah.
$3?
Straight to the front door.
That's it.
Oh no, we like getting our workouts.
Alright, made it to the main entrance of the main tower.
We're still walking to get to the castle.
It's a big walk. There's something else down there. So the garden's down there.
Oh wow, there I see it.
You got the main building behind it. Alright, we're getting closer.
We can see the castle.
What building's that? That's a cafe.
That looks like some hall.
Souvenir shop.
And there's a big hall there. The grounds are huge, aren't they?
Oh, it's huge here.
Never ending grounds.
If this was in Melbourne, they'll pull it down and build a whole bunch of townhouses.
So true, so true.
Alright, we've finally made it to the front of the line. Pay by vending machine. We've got 20-minute wait. And that's the line behind us.
What's too long?
It's about 20 minutes and there's the main gates there. How much is $12 to get in, wasn't it?
$12
Yeah.
for an adult.
Up the stairs. Making our way up.
And more stairs. We just kept climbing.
Let's have a nice cool shower under here. That's what you want. Alright, we've climbed up 8 flights of stairs.
Huffed and puffed.
I'm huffed and puffed bad.
But the views are beautiful. Look, you've got the city views as well. The boat on the moat.
Jeez,
It's beautiful.
I'm wrecked. 8 floors.
You've got to be pretty fit to be walking up all these levels. But look at the beautiful day.
Swing around this way.
Okay.
You ought to have had a bird's eye view of all your enemies coming through.
Exactly.
Look, you've got the mates to protect you.
Perfect.
All the archers up here. Imagine the battles through here. That's our main entrance to where we came from.
I love the
So we came from there, train stations down that way, I think.
beautiful views on the left.
Is that where we came from? Up that way.
Yeah, the right side there. We walk down this way.
There's a lot of walking.
Yeah. Down to Gloucester View. Loads of houses today.
It's a soccer ground.
Oh, wow.
You believe me?
No, I can see it's not a soccer ground. I'm just looking. But I've been
There you go.
Cuando veníamos ya en el tren, yo dije, ¿qué pasa? Ni siquiera nos matamos.
Here, let me swing around.
because you can't take it outside, but it's nice to see them.
Now back to where we started. There's that boat. Alright, that's it for our tour of the big castle.
It probably took us just over 30 minutes, 35 to 40 minutes.
To go up and down.
8 floors.
Yeah.
We went started at the top, observation deck, beautiful views, and then worked our way down each level.
It was busy in there, it's packed.
Yeah, it's very busy today, but yeah, it was nice to read up on the history back in the day.
Alright, let's move on. The Namba station, yeah?
We finally made it back to the member
This is a shopping centre inside the Namba station.
Hey guys, this is day 5 in Osaka. We've walked down to visit a shrine. It is called the Namba Osaka Ginger Shrine. So let's go in, check it out. Looks great.
The big scary monster. What's it called? The Jinju Shrine? Jinju?
Gingy.
This is 9 minutes away from where we're staying.
It's in the middle of the city.
Span around.
Beautiful sunny day today.
No worries. We're right here in the Namba where the big temple statue is. Thank you.
That looks impressive.
I know.
Yeah, the picture that I sent you.
That's what you run the little garden.
Oh, a beautiful day today. Nice and sunny day.
Blue skies, it's perfect.
All right.